Welcome to this video. We're going to learn how to use VEO3 AI, which is unlimited, free, no credit card. So the first thing we're going to do is to go to Google, then open this first link. So when the page opens up, click on try Opal. So choose an account to associate with Opal. And here we are in Opal, and it says Opal is not available in your country yet. Alright, there's not an issue. I'll simply go to this website, hotspotsheet.com/VPN. I'm going to click on the download free button, and I have it downloaded. So I'm going to install it by running as admin. So I'm going to click on install. So the VPN has been fully installed. So I want to OK it. I want to go with basic. Then I'm going to make sure I choose United States as my location. So choose any of these states in United States. So you can easily choose New York and connect. So I'm going to hit connect. And that is it. We are connected. So I come back to this Opal website. So I'm going to reload this time around. And now so I click on my so we are here now. So when this page opens, you can take a look at the page to get more idea. But what I want to do here is your Opal apps. Said build, edit, and share many AI apps using natural language. So I'm going to click on create new, and here it says add a step to get started. Input, generate, output, add assets. And here it says let's build your app. Take a look at our demo videos or type what you want to build. So let's take a look at demo videos to get an idea. So I advise you to watch this video. I'm not going to play it, but watch it to get an idea. I'm going to close that. So I have my prompt, which I'm going to use here to describe what I want to build. So building means you can build anything. So I go get my prompt. This is my prompt here. So I'm going to copy it. If you want, this prompt will be available in the video description. It will take you to my Telegram where you have access to this prompt in case if you want to work with it. So I'm going to come here and paste my prompt using Ctrl V on the keyboard, and I'm going to say go or enter. So let's give it some time to build, and that is it. Our app is ready. So this is the app. From here it says input image, upload your JPG, PNG image. Then here describe your desired animation, and here you are an expert in this. Use in this step input image, animate. So I'll go ahead and click on start here, and here it says upload your JPG PNG image for animation. Now if I wanted to use an image, I will do that by uploading it here, but I want a text to image or text to video, so I'm going to skip this image because I don't want to use image. So I'll just click on this button. So here it says describe your desired animation details. So I will have to go back to ChatGPT and copy some of my animated videos I've made in the past just to test this. So here is the text I want to try. this text contains a voiceover, image prompts, and video prompts. So I just copy that. I'm going to paste it. The right click is not working yet, so I'm going to use Ctrl V on the keyboard, and I'm going to send it. This is the progress bar, and we are seconds away from completing the video generation. So I'll pause the video now and come back when the video generation is done. Alright, if you look here, you can see that our video is almost ready. So it says your animation is ready, and download it to your device. Okay, can I play this? Let me give you some time to get ready. And it is ready, so let's play it now. Alright, so if I go to app above here and click on that, and here is the video. So here I can easily download it. Then I'll click on this three dot and I'll say download. So I'm going to click on download. I will say save, and the download is done. So I'm going to open it. Now can you see, this is so realistic, no watermark. Now let me check if this is 720 or 1080. So I'll simply right click on that, go to properties, and I'll go to details, and this is a 1280 by 720, but this quality is amazing. It is amazing. Okay, so I can head over to ChatGPT now, and so over here I have a video prompt that I used in my previous job. So I'll just copy this, I go to start, then I skip the image generation, describe your animation. So I'm going to paste this here, and I will submit this. So I'm going to allow it do its thing, and I'll come back when the video is ready. Wow, and here is the output. I just need to download this. So I hit save. Then you should know that these videos are all 8 seconds long, but the good thing is that they are unlimited. If you have different characters which you can use, that will be okay. In no time you'll have enough videos as you wish.
Delivery for you.
Oh, wonderful. Thank you.
Have a great day. Delivery for you.
Oh, wonderful. Thank you.
Have a great day.
Alright, that is it there. The prompt is not structured very well, so I'm not looking at a well structured prompt here. All I wanted is the ability for this to generate videos, and that is what I'm actually getting. So I'm just picking random prompts that I've created in the past and using to test this if it's gonna work fine. So this is another one. So I'm going to refresh this. So I'm going to hit start, next, then paste and send. Meanwhile, this is ready, so I'm going to download now. So if you like this kind of videos, just subscribe and drop it in the comment section. This will enable me to focus on the AI part of this channel, and in my upcoming series I should be able to tell you how I was able to successfully create video adverts for free, how I was able to create music, and one of the things I'm going to do now is how to be able to create musical videos using AI. So if you want to see all these things, kindly subscribe to this channel by hitting the subscribe button. Download it now. So let's check it. All right. Cool. So here I have another one. I'm going to download this as well. Now this is my first time of using this tool, but I'm yet to see a place where you can set the orientation of your screen. So all I see here is landscape. I don't know if there is a portrait. So, but meanwhile, this is a nice tool. So I'm going to save this. So that is done. So I'm going to play it now. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to try. So I'm going to send this. So what I'm going to do is that I'll copy this like this, and I'll just take it straight to the app, and I will submit that. So let's wait and see the outcome.
And what do you think about the current banana shortage? And what do you think about the current banana shortage?
Alright, so that is all for this video. I'll see you on the next one.